In the age of digital transformation, managing a school's operations effectively is more important than ever. But how can we achieve this? Hello everybody, this is Deepisa Pokhrel from Techware Private Limited. Today, I am excited to introduce you to our latest software, Smart School. From student and teacher management to attendance, fees, books and event management, Smart School has got it all covered. With Smart School, students can view and submit homework online, apply for leave, and even view their mark sheets. Teachers can upload mark sheet, do attendance online, and view student details. Smart School is more than just a software. It's a step towards a smarter, more efficient future for school operations. In this video, I'll take you through each feature showing how Smart School can change the way your school operates. To help you get started with Smart School, I have included link in the description box. Just click it and you will land into the login page. Or you can also type smartschool.rataguras.com.np on your web browser and you'll land into the Smart School dashboard. This is the overview of our dashboard. This dashboard is divided into several sections, with the first one being the main entry section. The main entry section is equipped with 17 distinct features. Let's explore each one of them. The first feature under this section is batch. This feature allows you to view the batch details of the students. Next up we have is the nationality feature. This feature is particularly useful for schools with a diverse students as it helps in maintaining records and understanding the cultural diversity. To add a nationality, simply click on to the Add Nationality option. You will see the space to enter the nationality. For this purpose of demonstration, I will add nationality Nepali. Once you have entered the nationality, click on to the Save option. The nationality will be added in the system. This feature also allows you to edit or delete nationalities. To edit a nationality, simply click on the Edit option next to the nationality you want to change. To delete a nationality, click on to the Delete option. By effectively using this feature, you can ensure that your student records are accurate and up-to-date. Moving on to the caste feature, it allows you to add and manage the caste of your students. Let's explore how you can use this feature. To add a caste, click on Add Caste option. You will be prompted to enter the caste. For example, if a student caste is Paudel, you would enter the word Paudel. The caste will be successfully added in the system by saving it. You can add as many castes as you need. In addition to this, the caste feature also allows you to edit or delete caste. Next in line we have is the designation feature. It allows you to assign designations to the employees working in your school. Let's see how you can use this feature. To assign a designation, initiate by clicking on Add Designation. You will see the space to input the name. For instance, if an individual holds the position of a principal, you would enter principal. Make sure you save it. The designation will be added in the system. You also have the liberty to add all the designations you need, such as teacher, accountant, professor, vice principal, and so on. It also allows you to update or delete the designations. We arrive at shift feature, which is further divided into 4 subsections: name, starting time, ending time, and type. To add a shift, simply click on to Add Shift option. Input the name of the shift. For this purpose of demonstration, I will add the shift named Day 1. Select type. If it's for a class, select class. And if it's for an exam, select exam. Finally, you will need to input the starting time and ending time for the shift. Confirm your entry by saving it. As you can see, shift named Day 1 has been successfully added to the system. Following the shift feature, we arrive at section feature. This is where you can add sections. The number of sections you can add here is flexible and depends on your school structure. For instance, if your school has 3 sections, A, B, and C, you can add all 3 here. Let me show you how to add a section. Select Add Section, enter the name of the section, and confirm your entry by saving it. As you can see, section C has been successfully added to our system. Next up we have is the class feature. This is where you can add the name of the class. The name of the class you can add here is flexible depending upon your school's schedules. To add a class, select add class option. Input the name of the class in this provided space. Make sure you save it. The class feature also allows you to manage shifts. To manage shift, all you need to do is click on the manage shift option. Select your shift and save it. Likewise, you can also manage sections from here. Select your shift, select your section and confirm your entry by saving it. So this is how you can add class, manage sections and manage shift from the class feature. Let's move on to the period feature. There are various fields such as starting time, ending time. In this period feature, let's demonstrate how to add a period. First, select add a period and you will see several fields such as name, starting time and ending time. Let's start with the first field. Enter the name of the period in this space. Enter the starting time of the period. Finally, input the ending time. This is how you can successfully add period by using this feature.